Hello folks, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine. Previously, I had made a video on how to recover your suspended Twitter account, and all of you guys gave much love to that video, and I am very thankful to all of you. Today, I will be showing you how to get more Twitter followers. Okay, and we will be discussing three important methods to get more Twitter followers. The initial two methods will be a slow process, but the third process is a rapid, and you will get real followers. Okay, first of all, just go into UC browser or any web browser and just open your Twitter account. And this is my new account, that's why I have only 2 followers. And before discussing our tutorial, let me make one thing clear that your account should be very attractive and your profile picture, your cover, all of them should be very attractive. So our first process is just going to the profile of any person. Okay, as you can see there, this is a press photographer. So I will just follow him. Okay, after following him, I will just scroll down and I will like all his posts. Okay, I will like all his posts. By doing so, he will get a notification that someone has followed you and also liked your photos. And he will see your account, and if your account is attractive, then he will follow you back. Okay, that's a little bit full process. So this was our first process. So our second method is, let's suppose that we had made an account of a celebrity on Twitter. Let's suppose we had made an account of Salman Khan. Okay, so all you have to do is just go into the profile and all the person who is following him, you can see that how many persons are following, 34.1 million followers. Okay, so just you have to go into the followers. We are considering that we have made an account of a celebrity like Salman Khan or any other person, and we are wishing that we get more followers. Okay, so you can see that all of these people are following Salman Khan. All you have to do is just follow all these people. Okay, and again they will get notification and they will see your profile, and if your account is attractive, they will follow you back. Okay, all you have to do is just follow all of them. As we are considering only a celebrity, that's why we had opened this account. Otherwise, let's suppose you have an account of a gym or any other food items. All you have to do is just go to a profile or a page of that respective material and just follow all that followers, and in this way you will get more Twitter followers and all of them will be real. Okay, that was our second process. Now let's talk about our third process. So the third process is a very quick and fast process, I suppose, and you all will get a lot of followers through this third process. But now the third and final method I'll be showing to you is just go to UC browser or any browser and open your profile. Okay, and you have just go to a website named newfollowers.in. I will drop the link in the description. Okay, as you can see that this website, these are the people which are involved and they are related to this website. Okay, all you have to do is log in with Twitter. Okay, one thing you have to notice that I have only 2 followers. Okay, so I will show you how this works. So all you have to do is just authorize this app. Okay, you have to wait for a few minutes. As you can see that here is written as thank you for your interest in our services. We are just adding your account. This might take a few minutes. Okay, as you can see that this is taking a little bit time. So as you can see I have only 2 followers. So let's see what happens. No, after a few seconds I will just refresh my page. Okay, and boom, you can see that I have got 12 followers. As you have noticed that previously I had only 2 followers and now 10 followers have been increased. Okay, and you can see that the process is still going, and I'm sure that I will get more followers. Okay, so you can see I'll again refresh this page. and I'm sure that my followers will increase. And you can see that I have got 18 followers. So this is a step that how can you increase your followers, and for doing so you have to just refresh this page again and again. As you can see that I had previously 2 followers, but as you can see that it's increased to 43 followers, and I'm sure that it will increase again and again if you refresh this page. Okay, sure that you had liked this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now after refreshing you can see that the followers has increased to 56. Okay, and now we will check and refresh this page again, and I'm sure that it will increase further. As you can see that this has increased to 62. Okay, so this is the process that how can you increase your Twitter followers.